Hello everyone! We are from first group will present our material about digital literacy. Before that, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Putu Sukma Dewi as the first speaker, and then Gusti Kadek Widiari Sukma Rahayu as the second speaker. There are Luh Ruska Antarika as the third speaker, and Putu Loviyani as the last speaker. Our contents of our presentation are the first, the definition of digital literacy, second, the main dimension of digital literacy, third, the sub-skills under the dimension, fourth, the importance of digital literacy in language teaching, and the last, how to integrate the digital literacy in language teaching. The definition of digital literacy. According to Hockley 2012, digital literacy is the educational skills that used to prepare students to live life in the 21st era. These skills include information, media, and technology skills.
And now I'm going to continue my friend's presentation with 4 main dimensions of digital literacy. According to Pegram 2011, Dudeni Hockley, and Pegram 2012, there are 4 main dimensions in digital literacy. There are language, information, connection, and redesign. So I'm going to explain with language-based literacy. Pegram has explained language-based literacy is about reading, print literacy, and online text such as blogs, wikis, and even forum discussion. Besides that, there is also texting literacy. This is an ability to read and make an online chat conversation. There is also called hypertext literacy. This is an ability to read an online text that containing a hyperlink. Another called visual and multimedia literacy, game literacy, mobile literacy, technology literacy, and code literacy.
So, thank you Rahayu. And then I will continue my partner presentation. The second is information-based literacy. There are 5 parts of information-based literacy. The first is search literacy. This consists of an ability to search for online information. And the second is tagging literacy. It is about labeling information so it will easy to find. And the third is information literacy. This is about evaluate source and information. And the fourth is filtering literacy. It is about manages overload information. And the last is attention literacy. It is about understanding when to switch as well as on. And the third is connection or collaboration based literacy. There are 4 part of this base literacies. The first is personal literacy, the second is network literacy, the third is participation literacy, and the last is cultural literacy. These are about managing personal literacy and network literacy. It helps you filter information for online networks. And the participation literacy, it is about created and produce digital content. And then the last is redesign-based literacies. There are 2 parts of this based literacies. The first is rhythmic literacy and the second is critical literacy. Rhythmic literacy, it is based on the ability to recreate and purpose. For example, it is YouTube parodies based on film clips. These are including with copyright and plagiarism. The second is critical literacy. Based on Belswa 2011, there are 8 elements from digital literacies. The first is cultural. cognitive, constructive, communicative, confident, creative, critical, civics. I think that's all my presentation, and then will be continued by my friend.
Well, I'm here to continue my partner presentations. It's about the importance of digital literacy in language teaching. So there are some things of how important the digital literacy to be integrated into language teaching. It is about the broader the communicative interactions and making students more active in learning. And the digital classroom opens up more comprehensive and more transparent knowledge space. It makes the teacher more flexible and responsive to streamline teaching techniques. So the functions of the digital classroom is to make the learning more entertaining, engaging, and fun for students. And it aims to bridge the communication gap between the students and their parents. Next, about how to integrate the digital literacy in language teaching. So, to integrate it through the use of technology during the implementations of digital literacy, both teacher and students tended to be deal with it. Some teacher may be not confident in using the technology, so that they need to understand about the dimensions and the sub skills of the digital literacy. As a result, the teacher need to help the learners to acquire the key of the digital literacy so that the digital literacy can be integrated in the language teaching itself. So that's all our presentations about digital literacy. We are from first group of 5G class. Thank you so much.